Nothing's happening. It's just flashing, and it's so bright, I can't see a thing. It's totally unnecessary. Just cover it up. Put something on it. Just like, stop it. It's just totally unnecessary. If you want a little light to show you that it's on, make it that big. Make it constant. Doesn't need to blink. Stop the blinking. Doesn't need to be this giant flashlight. Ridiculous.
MIDI to USB from Amazon, and it's just a strobe light, like a rave. So keep that in mind. This brand is FORE, like golf. It works though.